Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's a bad Tinder date. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. On the left, we have the MSI MPG A750GF, and on the right, the CORSAIR RM650. Think of them as the Batman and Robin of the PSU world. One's got the gadgets, and the other, well, it's also pretty good. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's see which of these powerhouses can keep your gaming rig juiced up without blowing your budget or your house. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The MSI MPG A750GF is coming in hot at $109, while the CORSAIR RM650 is trying to steal the show at a cool $89. Reviewers have noted that the CORSAIR is cheaper than a fancy coffee order, making it a budget-friendly option. However, some users believe the MSI offers a better balance of performance and cost, making it worth the extra bucks. Now on to modular designs. The MSI MPG has a fully modular setup, allowing you to use only the cables you need, similar to a buffet. Take what you want and leave the rest. Reviewers appreciate its clean setup, though some mention that the strong cables can complicate cable management. Meanwhile, the CORSAIR RM650 is also fully modular, leading to a neat and efficient build. Reviewers rave about its matching cables, which contribute to a tidy appearance. Both power supplies shine in this category. Next, let's talk efficiency. Both power supplies are 80 PLS Gold certified, making them extremely energy efficient. Reviewers of the MSI highlight its lower energy consumption and higher efficiency, while the CORSAIR RM650 boasts Cybernetics Platinum certification for even lower power consumption. Users appreciate that either choice will help save cash on electric bills, making both options equally commendable. Now, we all know that heat is the enemy of performance. Just ask my last relationship. The MSI comes with 100% Japanese 105 degrees Celsius capacitors, while the CORSAIR also boasts 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors. Reviewers from both products mention their steady power output and dependable performance. They both keep cool under pressure, but let's see who has the better fan. And speaking of cool, the CORSAIR RM650 features a 120mm rifle-bearing fan designed to keep noise levels down to a whisper. Reviewers note that, while the MSI's fan design is quieter than other options, it's not as silent as the CORSAIR. If silence is golden for you, the CORSAIR might just be the way to go. Overall, both power supplies have received positive feedback from users. The MSI MPG A750GF is praised for its quality, efficiency, and performance, while the CORSAIR RM650 is noted for its affordability, quiet operation, and modular design. Both products hold their own in the power supply market. So who wins this power supply showdown? If you're looking for something that packs a punch without costing an arm and a leg, the CORSAIR RM650 is your best bet. But if you want to splurge a little for that extra performance and quality, the MSI MPG A750GF is a solid choice too. Remember folks, whether you're gaming or just browsing cat memes, power is the name of the game. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart, and may your power supplies always deliver.